Restoring an old car like this is a journey of patience, skill, and passion. The process begins with a full inspection to assess structural damage.
Restoring an old car is a journey of patience and passion. It starts with a full inspection of damage and systems.
Whoa, look at that engine!
See the rust here on the strut tower? Yeah, and the mounts are shot. Scan it.
Woo, this is so cool! Look at all the hots! Yeah, keep going!
All right, let's get a look at this engine. Right here, see this corrosion? Yeah, let's run a scan. Headlights in, polishing the grille now. Leather's looking sharp on these seats. See the shine on that chrome? Looks brand new. Wow, you really brought her back to life. Next up, these headlights. Looks great. All right, let's get this headlight polished. Looks good, I'll hold the grille steady. Perfect, almost done.